Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is exciting. I have a new keto find. Alright guys, so if you have been following the ketogenic diet for quite some time, you may notice that it's difficult to get your electrolytes in, especially potassium. This has been a chronic thing for me years ago, and I'm already starting to notice it because I'm tracking all of my macros in my Fitness Pal, and I see every day that I am well below on my potassium, magnesium, and things like that. I have been trying to do intermittent fasting with a 20-hour fast and a 4-hour window of eating, but I'm finding that I'm really not that hungry, so I'm having like one big meal and that's it. So technically, I guess you could call what I'm doing right now the ketogenic intermittent fast OMAD. I don't know how long I'm going to keep that up, but I'm truly just not hungry. So with that being said, if you followed me prior to Optavia, you'll know that keto made me very sick toward the end. And one of the reasons was my potassium was just plummeted. So to avoid this repetition of the symptoms, and I don't want to get sick again, I have been researching ways to get extra potassium in. And I came across somebody that I used to watch all the time, Dr. Berg. Dr. Berg is a chiropractor, but very well versed, very knowledgeable on ketogenic diet. You can find him on YouTube. And he makes products that have no sugar, no maltodextrin, no fillers, nothing. And one of the things that he makes is an electrolyte powder. So I bought it, and it took just a couple days to get here. I did buy it on Amazon, so it was a little less expensive, and I got the free shipping. And this is what it looks like. Dr. Berg's electrolyte powder. This stuff, guys, is really good. Honestly, the flavor is raspberry lemon. All right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. It comes with a little scooper. Let me pull it out. Where is it? It's literally like protein powder, how it has a little scooper inside. But this is what it looks like, and it's white because there's no artificial dyes or colors in it. And here's the little scooper. Let's see, I'm wearing black so you'll be able to see. So there you go, tiny little thing. All you need is 1 scoop a day to get over 1,000 milligrams of potassium. So what I've been doing is increasing my greens. I've been having at least 2 to 3 cups of baby spinach every day, which really gives me about 1,300 milligrams, I'm sorry. And then this potassium is another 1,000. So I'm close to 3,000 a day. If I notice that this is not enough, then I can easily do 2 scoops a day. It says between 1 to 2 scoops a day. And from what I've read online, there's a lot of people that take this 2 to 3 times a day. I didn't want to start out too harsh, so I started out with 1 scoop a day. I'm debating whether or not to do 2, but right now everything's good. I'm not having palpitations, none of the dizziness or anything like that, so I'm pretty sure that I'm okay. What I do is I fill up my shaker cup, 16 ounces of water, and I add a ton of ice. I put 1 scoop in and I drink it. The first time I drank it at night. It didn't have any effects because some of the things that I read, people were saying that it was making them jittery. And I didn't find that at all. And I'm one that's really sensitive to caffeine, and there's no caffeine in here. So I was really curious to know why people were getting jittery. The more and more I read into it, what I found was because it literally nourishes your cells from the inside. So you're getting an influx of potassium, magnesium, sodium. What else is in here? You're getting calcium, magnesium, chloride, sodium, and potassium. So that is like a true electrolyte concoction. When it enters the cells, you are going to feel really good. It's like a hot day mowing the lawn, you're all sweaty, and then you drink, I don't know, a Gatorade. You know that like feeling you get, like you've just been like refreshed? This is that feeling. And honestly, I haven't noticed too much of a difference because I don't think I was that deficient. The only thing I've noticed though is when I drink this, and I don't know if it's, mind over matter, but it definitely makes you feel really good. I can't explain it, so I don't know, but I do know that I'm doubling the potassium that I would get with my food. So I have my food, I have my supplement here, and I'm feeling really good. And yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I'll show it to you again. Here's what it looks like. Dr. Berg's electrolyte powder in the flavor raspberry lemon. It says in here there are 45 servings. So if you do 1 scoop a day, it'll last you for a little bit longer than a month. And it was, I'm trying to remember if it was $30, something like that. You can find it on Amazon. I will leave the link below to the Amazon site so you can see where I got it from. And if any of you out there have tried this product, this is not sponsored, by the way, let me know in the comments your experience on it. If you did 1 scoop, 2 scoops, if you use a different type of electrolyte powder, whatever it is. I'm like an open book. I want to hear about it. So let me know below. All right. And I will see you in my next video. Stay focused. Bye, guys.